You know what? This challenge isn't over because now that you've done your Easter egg hunt, it's time to find out how many marshmallow peeps can you guys fit in your mouth. That's right.
She's vegan.
Okay, we need a proxy. We need a proxy marshmallow peeper. We have the proxies. We need a proxy peep. You don't have to eat it. You just have to put it in your mouth. But we're gonna have a proxy for her. So they're coming on down. You were the proxy in the other show. What happened to you? All right, here we go. All right, here we go.
You don't have to swallow them?
You don't have to swallow them. This is a race to find out who can fit all of their... You have the yellow peeps, you have the blue peeps. This is a question, who can fit those peeps in their mouth the fastest? On your mark, get set, go! Oh my God. I think you got it. You got it. Hey, who won that anyway? You know what? I got $100 for both of you, all right? All right, now hold on. I don't know, are we going to need her? We have one more part to this challenge because after all those peeps, you guys must be thirsty, aren't you? You must be thirsty. I don't know. Can you drink Gatorade? No, you can't? Okay. All right, so we have a proxy for the Gatorade. Here we go. All right. It's a well-oiled show business machine. That's right. Okay, so last part of this challenge. I have 100 worthless this or that dollars for the first person for the person who can drink the most out of Bambi's special Easter bottles. That's right. You have 60 seconds to drink, and your time starts right now!
Starts to hurt after a while, doesn't it?
Oh my God.
Count it down. All right, there's 5 seconds remaining. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
All right, and how you feeling, Bambi? Justin's got a little tooth problem. I think we have to give it to the contestant number 1. I'm sorry. This is Adam got it. All right. All right, get out of here, you proxy. And do we have to cut to a commercial? All right, we're going to find out what the wheel has in store for Adam right after this important word.
Peep show.